Hey class, Sunday afternoon. It is Module 12, interactive hardware, or instructional hardware, excuse me, that we are going to be looking at today. The first question here, what experiences have you had with interactive technologies as a student or teacher? We use projectors, document cams, classroom cameras, all that stuff to teach all of our classes here at HCC. Almost every day I use the projector, being able to show presentations, working through things with with the students, being able to show tips, tricks, different things that we're working on in the class. So document cams, when I bring in a PDF or something like that that we have that we're trying to get across, I can use that to show them instead of having to upload it through one of our share drives or something like that, so that really helps quite a bit. Let's see, which rendition of interactive whiteboard? So we use the Vibe whiteboards at HCC. We have 55-inch smart whiteboards in all of our classes, and it works very well. We've had no issues with those, and I actually really enjoy using those. The interactive app, I'm going to use the one that I use. It's Kahoot. We use Kahoot for doing different quizzes or voting on different things in the classes. So quizzes are the biggest thing. Being able to have real-time discussions, real-time answers, and have a little fun with it. Kids love using the app on their phone and being able to be a part of the class. So absolutely love that, and using it with the smart board, it helps tremendously. What were your thoughts about it? So we the clickers in the classroom. We do use clickers in the classroom. We have Logitech ones. They work very well. They work with our projector. They also work with the computers. Being able to not only use like laser pointers on them, but being able to click through presentations, be at the front of the classroom. Also being able to use it with Kahoot and other interactive apps that are on the whiteboard and stuff. It's great. Absolutely love it. So yeah, instructional hardware is definitely something I'll utilize in my classroom all the time. It's something that is never going to go away, especially for where I teach in technology. It's just going to get better from there. So definitely love everything interconnected, and using the cameras to be able to post our online content, different lessons, different if you want to call it options for students to use online. Maybe they're sick, maybe they're not going to make it, maybe they have an appointment. You can actually post what you're doing in class with the camera. And if I have a significant amount of kids gone for any particular reason, I use that quite a bit. So yeah, that's Module 12. Look forward to seeing you guys for Module 13. Have a good day.